Hello class 5, this is teacher Regina and today's topic is the continuation of using 24-hour clock. But in this part, we will use this 24-hour clock in the word problem. Now let us recall the 12-hour and the 24-hour. As you see on this 24 and 12-hour line, it is showing the equivalent of 12 hour to 24 hour. So I will repeat, down is showing the 12 hour and 24 hour time. So how we will use it? For example, in 12 hour it is 5 a.m. It means the daytime in this line blue showing the daytime or the morning. Okay, so 5 a.m. in 24 hour time it is the same as 5 also. Now, it is the same up to 12 p.m. or 12 noon. In 12-hour time and 24-hour time, it is also 12. Now, when you reach the 1 p.m. in 12-hour time, we will add 12 more, so it will become 13. So each one, after we reach the p.m. in 12-hour time, if you want to change it in 24-hour time, we just add 12. Again, this table of 12-hour and 24-hour time will help you more also. This part showing the 24-hour and this part is 12-hour. Again, this is 24-hour and this is 12-hour. As you see, this is the column of AM. So it's almost the same as when we want to change it in 24-hour. Here now, when we reach the PM, as I told you, 12 p.m. is the same in 24 hour, it is also 12. Now, when we reach the 1 p.m., we will add 12 more hours to change it in 24 hour. Up to 11 p.m. So, 11 p.m., the equivalent of that in 24 hour is 23. Now, let us have the example. Okay. Natasha left home at 10:30 a.m. She arrived at the park 40 minutes later. Okay, let us use a timeline so it will be easy for us to know. So here we are looking for the time in which time does she arrive after she walked at 40 minutes. So how we will do it? So using the timeline, this line, so I will start the time at 10. Next line is 10:30. And the next is 11. Next will be 11:30. So each line, the distance is 30 minutes as you see. So now, 40 minutes. So I will start in 10:30 a.m. Where is 10:30? So this is 10:30. Okay, so 10:30 to 11 is already 30 minutes. What we need is 40 minutes. So how much more we need to complete the 40 minutes? So we need to add more 10 minutes to know what time does Natasha reach or arrive at the park. Okay, so if we say let us add 10 more minutes to complete the 40 minutes. Though the time will be here. It is after 11. Here is 11. After 11 is 10 minutes. So what do you think? What is the time that Natasha, she arrived at the park? So if we will read 11 past 10 means that time is 11:10 a.m. In other words, if Natasha left home at 10:30 a.m. and then she walked 40 minutes to the park, then she reached the park at 11:10 a.m. Okay, now, if the question is like this, it means they are looking for the time. Next one, let us have another problem. Okay, Fatima began her work at 15:35. there is beginning time here. She finished at 17:05. How long did it take? So if this is the question, it means they are looking for how many hours and how many minutes. So since the beginning time is given and also the end time, which is said that finish 17:05, so let us do it in a timeline. So I will start the timeline in 15:30, then 16, 16:30, and then 17. First, 15:35. So it is after 15:30. 5 minutes after 15:30 is 15:35. So maximum, as I told you, the distance of these two lines is 30 minutes. So let's say that this is here, going to 16. How many minutes from 15:35 to 16? So we have 25 minutes. Again, I repeat. So 15:35 here, it's not exactly 15:30. So 15:35 going to 16, it is already 25 minutes. Now, let us have another one. So here, 30 minutes, and then here, 30 minutes. It means that is equal to 1 hour. So we stop in 17 now. But she finished at 17:05. So it means the time is here. So let us add how much more minutes we need after 17. So we need more 5 minutes. Okay. So here, another 5 minutes. Now, what we need to do in this time? What we need to do is to add only all the hours. So we have only 1 hour. Then add 25 minutes plus 5 minutes is equal to how many minutes? So, it means if Fatima began her work at 15:35 and she finished in 17:05, it means she take 1 hour and 30 minutes to finish her work. Again, 1 hour is here, then I add 25 minutes and 5 minutes. So that's why the time is 1 hour and 30 minutes. Again, if the question they are asking how long, it means they are asking for the time and the minutes. Next one. The football match started at 17:25 and finished at 19:10. As you see, there is a starting time and finish time. So they are asking again how long is the football match. So they are asking for the time and the minutes. Using again the timeline for us so it's easy. Let us have 17:30. I will start with 17:30, 18, 18:30, and then 19. Again, the distance of this line is equal to 30 minutes. Since the first line started to 17:30 and it started in 17:25, so for 17:25 to 7:30, that is 5 minutes. So again, let us jump. We need to reach the 19:10. So we can jump 1 more hour. So it will be easy. So this is equivalent to 1 hour. Now, we need to reach 19:10. So if I jump again from 18:30 to 19, it is equal to 30 minutes. So how much more minutes in order to reach 19:10? So we need more 10 minutes to reach more than 19:10. So we are now already in 19:10. Again, I start with 17:25, which is here, and the 19:10, which is here. Okay, now this is the hour all. So what we need to do is to add. So we have 1 hour. Let's add the minutes. 30 minutes plus 10 minutes is equal to 40 minutes plus 5 minutes is equal to 45 minutes. So it means the total hours is 1 hour and 45 minutes. It means the football is at 1 hour and 45 minutes. That's all for today. I hope everyone is safe. So our activity will be on your book, which is on page 129 to 130. So what you need to do is the same thing that I show you. Here you need to, what do you call this? To show it number line as I show you on the video. Okay, then show from here you just got home at. It means they are asking for the time. And then number two, again, what time did she start? It means going back this one, huh? If she finished at 12:45, she take 1 hour and 30 minutes. So it means this one, if you are looking for the starting time, means going back. Now, they are asking for the time here. But in number three, they are asking for how many hours and how many minutes. And number four, the same as number three, how many hours and how many minutes they give the started and finish time. And here also, you need to know the difference of her work. Naomi finished at homework after an hour, then Fatima finished her homework at 16:55. So they are asking for the longer time or how much time. Okay. So that's all for today. Thank you for listening. I hope everyone is safe. Keep up the good work.